from an estate sale, and I feel like I hit the jackpot. This guy was really big into electronics. Some really large capacitors, just $4 a piece. Some good hardback books, $1 a piece. And just stacks and stacks of capacitors. Lots of diodes. Pretty nice 8-ohm potentiometer. Bunch of big resistors. And then just tons and tons of these audio amplifiers. Some coax connectors. It's pretty decent. Variable temperature soldering iron. Plugged it in, it seems to work. And this is what I came there for. I can't believe this actually works. It was marked to 98 bucks, and I got them down to 85. Had to dig around for the power supply, and it actually works. And then next to this guy, they had this function generator, and then this guy, and they seem to work too. So I did really well. All in all, for like 200 bucks. Which the scope alone is like 500 bucks used. So anyhow, I did great. Now I gotta put these babies to work.